Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Snapchat due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity. Your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. So guys, when you open your Snapchat and want to log in your Snapchat and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, this problem is occur when you have entered your password wrong repeatedly. Then guys, this problem will be facing on your iPhone. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So guys, first of all, you need to open your Snapchat. And guys, after opening your Snapchat, simply you need to click on login. And guys, you need to click on, here is the option that is forget your password. So guys, you need to click on this tab. And guys, you will find these two options. First one is phone and second one is email. So guys, if you have connect your phone number with your Snapchat account, then guys, you need to click on phone number. And guys, if you have connected your email address with your Snapchat account, then you need to click on second one. So guys, I have connected my email address, therefore I am clicking on this one. And guys, after this you need to wait for new page opening. So guys, when new page open, then I'll help you what you need to do. So guys, now you can see this type of interface will be open. So guys, simply here you need to enter your email address in which you have login your Snapchat. So guys, now I am going to write my email address. So guys, after this simply you need to click on submit. And guys, you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys, after this you will find a mail on your Gmail address in your iPhone. So guys, simply you need to go back and guys open your Gmail address. And guys, after this you need to open that Gmail in that you have entered in this tab. And guys, after opening your Gmail, you will find a mail from your Snapchat support team. And guys, after doing this you need to open that email. And guys, after this you will find a password reset link in that mail. So guys, simply you need to open that mail. And guys, you need to change your password from here. And guys, after changing your password, simply you need to open your Snapchat again. And guys, after this you need to log in your account from here with your new password that you have changed now. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.